Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, first of all. This is my actual official, I think, first video of the year. I haven't made any video so far this year. So this is my own first snowstorm experience, because apparently they said the last time this happened was in 2016, and for some reason it kind of like happens every 10 years. I'm guessing it's like some global warming or whatever the case may be, but yeah. The last one before this one that we're about to experience, which they are predicting would be worse than what happened in 2016. The one before 2016 was apparently in 2006, I'm guessing. The one before then too was like 1996. So I actually just it is currently, what's the time? It is currently 1:31 p.m. The plan now is to, check on my friends to see how they're preparing for the snowstorm. A lot of us are not taking this shit seriously. You can't blame us. We are, I don't know. Most people actually haven't experienced this before. Some have, some haven't. So yeah, we actually don't know what to expect, and sometimes it might not actually happen like they say it might happen. So let's see. It starts tonight officially in Maryland. Actually, I'm living in Maryland, so it starts for us tonight at 11 p.m. I believe, and it's supposedly supposed to last 2 days, and I think they said it ends 4 a.m. on Monday. Who knows? We're gonna find out. Come with me to, I don't know what we are coming to do, but like, I think right now what I'm gonna do is to like just check out how my friends are actually preparing for this shit. Some are at work, some are home. The ones that are home, we're gonna see what they're doing. Yeah, come with me. So I couldn't record my grandmom because when on getting there she wasn't actually at the house. She went out. So the next thing I want to actually do is change my battery remote for my car. So the battery is very low, and right now I'm unable to like jump start my car, and it's crazy, and it's very much needed because wherever you go, no matter how like short you're in the place for, it's crazy how fast the car gets so cold. So you could go into the store like real quick for like 5 minutes. By the time you come back, the car is freezing. See, the picture of having to like double press the shit and have it like warm up is so nice. But yeah, I'm trying to see if they're gonna be open so that I can fix this. And after I fix this, I'm gonna stop at a store. I've been in America for God knows how many years, and or let me say I've lived in Maryland for about 5 years. So I've lived in Maryland for about 5 years, and I never like felt that I desperately needed gloves until now. It used to be, don't get me wrong, it gets cold in Maryland, but not freezing cold, bro. Not freezing cold. Last week, it snowed last week, and it was freezing cold. I had to walk from one place to work because my car, I couldn't drive this bitch, and I was stuck. So I had to walk to work last week, and walking to work, I couldn't feel my hands at some point. And that was just last week. Last week was just a normal snow, like just an average purple snow. This time, if they claim the snowstorm is what it seems to be or what it should be, I think I'll need the gloves because I don't know if I have to walk to work or whatever the case may be. But anyways, I gotta stop at Home Depot to get gloves. We'll see how Home Depot is looking right now. I'm gonna probably also stop at Walmart to see how it's looking too, and stop at a few stores and check out my friends and go home. So yeah, that's the plan. Stay with me, see if they're able to fix this thing for me. Since I'm opposite Target, right, I might as well just stop at Target to see how it is looking inside. So yeah, after this our next stop will be Target. Anyways, let's see if they're able to fix this for us. Good. I'm trying to see, is there by chance like you guys can help me change the battery?
The battery?
Yes.
Let me check. You might have to go to the parts department, but
Where's that at?
Just verify.
No problem.
Parts department's actually closed, but it's just that little circular battery. So like, honestly, Target probably has it. AutoZone, any like retailer will have it.
Do you know how to take it out?
Should just. Let me ask Brad for here.
So Target ain't looking crazy right now. So let's see. Just a little line. Mine ain't too long, but anyways, let's see if we could get like the gloves. Let out real quick. If I'm trying to get gloves.
Gloves.
Yeah.
We don't have gloves for man.
For man?
No, we don't. They already sold.
All right, thank you. Not surprised though, because you would expect actually a lot of places to, be sold out and shit. So I'm not tripping. But the line ain't crazy inside here though, and there's still some like glass stuff. But yeah, it's Target, so you can't expect much. Anyways, let me see. Go to Home Depot. I feel like it's gonna be crazy over there, but let's see. Alright, so real quick, next up is Home Depot. Let's see what's up.
Okay.
Yeah, is this shit gonna work, bro? It says firm grip. You see, I've been thinking that shit is for like. Ooh, I like this one, bro. How much is this shit? Alright, see what I'm saying. On the face one, nigga. Let's be a nigga, let's be. Yeah. Look at this one, it's not bad. This one comes like in a 3-in-1. So it comes with like gloves, it comes with like. What the fuck? Benny. Usually just the one that they're gonna use to Go fine, Jaggy.
Go fine. Try to find anyone there. So that they might share that for any of the bag is no.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Alright, let me try it on and see if it works.
This is last minute shopping, right?
Right, last minute though. But the people are not plenty though.
So you do something.
True, sha. Because on order. There's nobody outside like that. Malule. Only if you fight, only if you jargon. Eloni. $14
something.
About you know,
I saw it.
Oh, okay, $14.
$14 something.
Yeah, that's all. Kill any baking to Kinga.
Bamira lighter.
Lighter. Alright. And all that shit, bro. Cause see shovel, man. Cause send it. Except if I shovel, I want.
Shovel that was shovel this morning now.
Yeah, what's it on? Except you want this one. On top of
this morning. The shovel is still many.
On top of yepe cement. Check it. This cement looking. Nah. Everything is. Look, Ewo. See. Uski wood transfer shovel. So like the ones the man feeling base know what they got here. So it's just people are what is it?
Why is this one expensive like this? Is it $5 something?
Only you have the one that has like full grill.
No,
or
I
Ele.
don't want it.
But Ele $12 Lily.
I don't want the grey type.
Or just this one.
Just that one is okay.
Okay.
Just one.
Alright.
Check it too.
Only. Only,
Alright.
What's there? Alright. What's the illegal? Ṣé kí nǹkan tí mo fi wọ̀nyí? No, ó dà pé obìnrin ni wọ́n rán sí store kó wá rà. Ó wá lọ ra ti ẹ̀dùn máa fi wọ̀nyí nísìn. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ó gbé ti iron tó máa fi ń ṣe cement. Okay, wọ́n gbé wá síta, àwọn kìíní gbé wá síta, àwọn Home Depot gbé wá síta. Because you know a lot of people are still looking for it here, so they're like, if you want, this is like the only one left for them to come and get. Well, this one will be so annoying to spark snow with. It's going to be very annoying to spark snow with. Snow salt máa pọ̀ níbi ìtẹ́lẹ̀ o. Ó ṣe ń tì.
Wow.
I don't even think it's where they put them.
All their garden stuff.
Yeah, most of their garden stuff is almost out. Let Jai be tough is no salt really, because there will be. This place is so empty. But I know somebody came in when I was in the store. I heard somebody say like he's trying to get snow salt, and one of the attendants was like, "Cause this snow salt, man."
Yeah, it's
low. So the next thing people are buying now is firewood. Walmart. Necessarily not buying anything from here, but I just want to see, give you guys an insight of how Walmart is looking right now. The day of the storm. Let's see how many people are actually doing not panic buying. We'll find out. Looking wise, one of the things people are actually shopping for is soaps. I don't know why they think that's part of like an essential for a snowstorm, but hey, first aisle that looks empty, it is the detergent. Yeah, one of the aisles that looks empty first is the detergent one. Let's check a look, because I have a feeling the paper towel might be empty, but from the look of things, it's not actually. So we still got a lot of paper towel in Walmart. So we got like paper towel. We got a lot of paper towel and tissues left in Walmart. So the next one to check would actually be water, to see if we still got water in there. Water. I know for a fact there is not gonna be no water. I know for a fact. Oh, and there's milk. Surprisingly, we still got some milk left. See? Yeah, this is how empty. We got some left, but the next one and the last place I would like to check, which I know they don't have any, is water. But let's see. I don't know if you all understand. This is supposed to be filled with water. This is supposed to be filled with water. And you have like just this left, just this tiny bit left. Every other thing seems to be gone. It's crazy. It's crazy. Going to all the stores to check what they got. I decided to go to my friend's place. Tell me why this lady just left her car running and nobody's inside.
Hold on.
Huh? How are you?
Let me drop all this stuff in my house, bro.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
How are you?
That's what the vlog is about. Good. The vlog is about.
Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Say hi to
Hello.
vlog.
Essentials. This is the first time I enter this vlog.
I just.
Yeah. There was a time you did something and you told me to come. I wasn't feeling well.
Oh yeah. I remember that time. So the essence of pulling up to your house is to see how you're preparing for the storm. What you got so far?
So I'm actually going to work because
So the storm is gonna catch you at work.
Yes.
Ooh.
Unfortunately, but I have my handyman here. I have extra clothes just in case they tell me we are sleeping over. It's inside trash bag. Don't mind that. Then there's food. There's also food. My other stuff already at work because I'm a worker. So and today is my birthday, you guys.
Guys, wish you happy birthday in the vlog.
Oh, my audio, bye-bye. Bye, vlog.
So, Mommy, I have a surprise for you.
Hi, mommy.
How are you?
We're vlogging. Say hi to our vlog.
Ah.
Mommy, how you prepare for the storm?
Fun yesterday. I'm ready.
You're ready, Abby?
I'm ready. I have food in my
You have food. That's all the equipment mommy needs. See, mommy is part of the people that finished it.
Candle. Motira candle more.
Mommy is part of the people that finished the water in Walmart.
You know what she
Because look, when did you buy this?
I have it.
Because since Wednesday, like, been looking for water.
No,
Wednesday.
they did delivery. They work in 1 month.
They work in 1 month.
So they did delivery. They know how to get down stuff.
No, we had 3.
Yeah, okay, you just bought 3 more. Oh, okay.
I told them.
Bookie, I'm leaving. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, vlog. See you next time.
I'm headed to Amaga's place next. I would have gone to Tomo, but Tomo is at work. So, yeah, is not in the country, or she's not in the States. One of them. One of them. So, yeah, Amaka is the next person I could pull up to. And after that, I'm going home. It's getting dark. Let me go and rest. Why are you this excited to see me?
Where was you recording?
Huh? Why are you this? I'm recording you on 2 cameras. Huh? How you doing, my baby?
How are you? Where did you get Ruby tattoo?
I bought it. How you doing?
I'm good.
So
they can see.
I know say I'm vlogging. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hi. Look.
The essence of this vlog is to show the people how you're preparing for the storm. But I know Amaka has no preparation in place.
I've done absolutely nothing.
Nothing. I know, it's you. No water, no extra water in the house, nothing.
To be fair, I did my groceries 2 weeks ago when I came back from Lagos.
So that grocery is supposed to last you.
I bought it.
In case, let's say you're not supposed to step out of this house. And why is your house dark? Tell Alexa to on the light.
Alexa, turn on sitting room. Okay, I want to.
So let's say that you cannot go out for like 2 days. What will you
Let me show you
do?
what I did.
Okay, that's the essence of this video.
So first of all, I went shopping 2 weeks ago when I came back from Lagos.
Okay.
But I went shopping 2 weeks ago. So when I first came back from Lagos, I ordered food from my mommy's caterer. So I have someone cooked for me. I have porridge here. I have jollof rice here. I have turkey here. And I have moi here.
Okay.
And then when I went grocery shopping, Walmart had 60 eggs for $10 and I bought it. So I have like.
Oh, you have enough eggs?
I have enough eggs.
Okay.
And I bought 2 packs of water and there's only milk in the house.
Okay.
So like my water is still there.
Let's say there's no light.
All my Nigerian snacks. See, that's the thing. Like I don't have no light food.
Not even like food. Like let's say there's no light. No light. You have touchlight.
I have a taser that has a touchlight.
You have a taser that has a touchlight. You have power banks.
I do. I didn't charge them.
That's how to survive.
Yeah.
That's how to survive in this.
I was literally sitting on my couch. I've done. I don't know where my power bank is at. Like,
See, I'm making Amaka get ready. That's how crazy it is,
I
guys.
traveled to Lagos with Alexa, turn on bedroom. I traveled to Lagos with a fan and I didn't go with my power bank. But I don't have a power bank though. I just know it's at. Oh, it's right here.
Okay, so go and charge it.
Naira.
How much is that?
Probably like 40,000.
When like say you're not going now, so let me have it.
Who told you I'm not going?
You're not going this December now. You
Who
going?
said I'm not going? What kind of rubbish thing is that? I don't go.
Well, anyways, I'm headed to the gym. We still got time. They said at 11 o'clock it starts. That's 7 days. We still got time. We got time. Workout. I mean, I'm actually even going to work tonight, so I'll be alright. Alright guys, so it is currently let me check what the time is. I'm just waking up and don't mind my pink shit. I took that shit from one of my friends. Alright, so it's currently 6:23. Let's check outside to see if it actually snowed. Who the fuck is packing snow this early? Damn, it's cold as a bitch. And it's still falling. Oh, they're packing it. I like that. So you see, guys, they're ready for this snow thing because tell me why they're packing it already. And I know they're packing it because they know a lot of people is gonna go out today. Like, so they're trying to like make sure that, you know, they can come in, because last week's snow, I didn't do shit. I guess because this time they're expecting the snowstorm, so they're not waiting for it to pile up before they do something, which makes sense. But the one that is parking in front of his house, I don't understand why you're doing that shit. I don't think you guys can see that, but ooh, let me show you. This is still normal level snow, I think. It's not that deep, but it's a lot. This is thick. This is currently 7:50. More than an hour later, and let's see what we got, guys. Ooh, this is how it's looking like. It's not deep yet. It's not deep yet. But it's gonna get worse. Let's hope we have power after all this, though. This is just maybe 8 hours worth of snow, and that's what we get. Mind you, this is gonna be for the next 24 hours. It's gonna be a lot. About to get off work, so I gotta go see how I can start my car. So after leaving work, I'll go around to show you guys how the roads look like. I think it shouldn't be that bad. So now is the time to switch cars. I can't drive this bad boy anymore. So now I'm moving to this. Bro, it's deep though. That shit is deep. Alright, give that time. Let's do this again. I pray I don't catch a cold because I'm not properly dressed. I know I got like 5 shirts under this, but my shoe, it's not properly. I'm not wearing the right sneakers for it, or boots for this. Let's get to cleaning up snow. I'm on my way home, right, and I see a car stuck in the snow. It looks like it's stuck in the snow. It could be parked in the snow. I don't know. So I'm thinking of doing something nice, and I'm trying to double back and see if like the person needs help or they're good. But I can't seem to find anywhere to turn right now because the turning part seems blocked by snow. But I see, let me try this one. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Imagine good Samaritan fucking me over. That would be nasty. I swear, and the person is driving a car. This is the good thing about driving a big, like driving all-wheel drive. Like emphasis on all-wheel drive, bro. You're good, man. I'm just cruising on the snow, big snow, much. Anyway, let's see what we can do. If we can actually help, and that's if they actually do need help. Let me show you guys. See the car all the way with the hazard light on. So let's see if we can help. Oh, they're calling for help. So guys, I thought I pressed the record button, but I did not press the record button. We were out there being a good Samaritan, pouring gas in the car. Can you imagine? And I missed that. You guys missed that on the camera. But anyways, now that we got gas in the car, but now they're kind of like stuck, so we're trying to help out. I gotta heat up first, nigga. I can't feel my hands, bro. I can't feel my, bro, turn the heater on, nigga. Because what the fuck? The cold is a bitch in this nigga. Woo! It's cold. Ah, she's sliding back here. Don't slide back, bro. I think everybody's trying to like eat up first. Oh, this mountain is stuck. Oh, everybody's stuck. How are we stuck, bro? So, it's currently 12:36 and this is the weather status. The main roads are well taken care of. Not well, but like to an extent, they're like properly taken care of. Hey, who's this? Why did they have government people on the road? Where go? Oh, they are also dumping ice and snow salt. But anyways, the street is well taken care of. Look at this is how high the snow is. Just FYI, look at that. This shit nice. This thing was just grass, like actual grass, like you can walk on. But look how high this shit is. Yeah. But the roads are better than most streets though. You can actually drive here. Like when you enter most streets, it's like you're in the snow. Alright, so the time is currently 3:47 and let me show you the, alright, so before I show you the status of what's going on right now, no more snow. It's just dripping ice. And this has been the situation for 3 hours now, so no snow, nothing, just ice. But they're clearing the roads, but not too. Let me show you. So this is a street. The main road I believe would be way better than this, but anyways, it's dripping ice and the weather is freezing. Just took my gloves out now to dust out the ice in it, and my hands can't feel my fingers no more.
5 hours later.
Good morning, and this is day 3. From the look of things, it looks like the snow, ice, sleet, everything has finally come to a stop. So come with me to, or let's go outside to see how the damage the 2 days of snow has caused. Mind you, this is 7:24. I woke up around 5 and I checked, and it had actually stopped by the time around 5 when I woke up. So I'm guessing it has stopped a while ago, but from the look of things, they still haven't like cleared the street. So it's gonna be really difficult for a lot of people to get around. And yeah, just let me show you properly how the road is looking. So this is it. Oh, I have all the tools that I'm gonna need because I have to leave. Holy shit, guys, look, nigga. Even my boots have the fall. I'm trying to clear up the snow on this walkway because on 2 occasions I've almost slipped. So while the car is heating up, I'm trying to like clear the walkway. If not, I'm gonna break my eye, and I'm not ready to do that. All of this, right? The ones that I find crazy the most are the ones that decide to take their dog on the street, like on the walk. Like, what are you walking the dog for? What is 2 days? 2 days that your dog cannot sit in the house for? Like, what's going on? You and your dog can literally fall, bruh. That's crazy. That's the most what would I call this? Like the most absurd thing I've seen so far. Walking your dog in this weather, bro. There's literally no pathway in almost everywhere. There's ice literally everywhere. Even driving itself is at risk. Driving is insane. Walking to is at your, is, you know, it's at your risk too. Then you decide to walk a dog. This is how the streets look like. Just keep this outside. So pretty much this is how the streets look like. The streets are not taken care of. That's the only issue. The main roads are much better. Just watch. And the crazy part is that if you're not familiar with any road, it's going to be very difficult because there is a fucking what would you call it, like a concrete there. So if you're not careful, you don't know the road, you call them back concrete and bah. But you see how the roads are way much better. So yeah, for the main parts, right, most roads have been treated. The only issue that we're having currently is the streets. Some streets are not that good, and considering the fact that when they're parking the snow, they just like move the snow on people's cars, it kind of like makes it hard for other people to get out. But the main road is good. Main road is actually good. Main road is good. Yeah, today's date is what exactly? Today's date is the 26th of January and 1 p.m. This is the aftermath of the so-called snowstorm. Anyways, pardon me if I look rough. I've just been out all day. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you views of how everywhere is, and I think this brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like. If you want, even if you didn't enjoy it, at least like it for me, risking my life to show you guys how it is, pretty much. Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.